from Costco. You can buy this from Costco, plant-based, total veggie. I got tomato, lettuce, and bell pepper and cucumber. And I got piece of veggie cheese, plant-based. So I already put a tomato and bell pepper. So I'm gonna put a cucumber on it. And then final my lettuce. And if you like to put a ketchup, you can use ketchup too. So here you go. Placing my patty on it, or you can put a if you need a little salt or black bell pepper, you can put it also on it too. I'm gonna add a little black pepper on it. I like to eat black pepper, so finally I'm gonna put my patty on the top. I don't like to use sauce. So then my cheese, next is cheese. So my burger ready. Final touch. Put it on the top. My bread. Oh, look at this veggie burger. Veggie burger. At home. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.